Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about caching templates. So if you observe in a handlers.co home handler function and a show snippet. So here what I'm doing is that every time I am taking these files and parsing these files and executing the data and exporting these data onto template files, but this is for every handlers I'm doing this process, but this is not good practice. So in order to reduce the code, we are going to write the central parsing and central executing and executing those template files. So I'm going to change the file templates.co. I already wrote a code. I'm just copy and paste it. So this is the code and I will explain this code. So first we have taken the we are initializing the a new map to act as a cache, and then we are taking the files path.globe function to get a slice of all file paths with extension dot page.tmpl. This essentially key was a slice of all page templates for the application. And then once we got these pages, we are iterating these all the files which are page.layout and footer partial page.tmpl. So I'm going here extract the file name like home.page.tmpl from the full file path and assign it to the name variable, and we are parsing the each and every template pages. So if you want to check in handlers.co, see here I'm parsing the files in every handler function, in home handler function and show snippet handler function, but in template.co I'm parsing all the files at a time. Okay, so and then I'm using the parse.globe method to add any layout templates to the template set, and then checking the error, and again I'm using the parse.globe for the partial.tmpl extensions. Now I'm returning the cache. So once I did this, once I parsed each and every file, so I'm going to main file to initialize this cache in the main function, make it available to our handlers as a dependency via application struct. So here template cache map stream template, and I'm going to initialize a new template cache. We'll do after defer close template. Sorry, it should be new template cache UI//html. It could be template cache. Comma error. Okay, and I'm checking the error. Here I'm using the error log, fatal error. Once we initialized this template cache, we have to add it to the application dependencies. So template cache, template cache. Okay, everything is okay. And once it is initialized and added to the application dependency, we have to write a one helper method to execute each and every parsing file. So here I am writing one render method which executes the all parsers, all template parsing files. Render http dot response writer / http dot request and name. I'm taking the string. And another parameter is template data to execute on template files. Okay. So here I'm taking the template cache, slices, okay, and we will execute this template cache. First we will check it is okay or not, then we will execute the app dot it is okay or not, app dot server, if it is not okay, return empty dot f the template percentages does not exist, and it is a name, return the server error, and we will execute these templates. Execute, and we have to execute the data as well. I'm checking the error. App dot server error. Okay. Once we created this render method, we will call this render method in handlers.co in order to execute each and every template or whatever the template file that we want to execute. Okay, further I don't need this code anymore. I'm going to commenting here. Now I'm calling the app.render method. Okay, one is response writer and request, and then name of the file. Name of the string means name of the file. Here I'm going to execute the home.page.tmp, and then data. Here the data is coming from the app.snippets latest method. So template data snippets. Okay, again for the show snippet as well, I don't need this code anymore. Here I'm calling the app.render method to execute each and every template or whatever the template that we want to execute. Name of the string means name of the file that you want to execute. So here I'm executing show.page.tmpl and then data. Template data, snippet is okay. Everything is done, and we will start the server. We will check. Okay, fine, server is running successfully, and then we will check on the browser. Localhost 400, perfect, it's working. And then we will check, this is for home handler function, and I'm checking the snippet show as well. Okay, it's working. We'll check for each and every ID. I have 4 IDs in my database. See, 5 is not available in my database, so that's why page not found. Okay, cool. So this is so useful in order to reduce code. Okay, I hope you understand, guys. So what we have done in this video is that, so in order to remove this code, for instance, if you want to parse the files for each and every handler, you have to call like this. So in order to avoid this, what I have done is that I just parsed each and every file globally in template.go, and then in helpers method I just executed all the template files that I parsed in template.go. Then finally I called this render method in handlers, and I removed this code, and I just called the render method to execute the whatever the template that I want to execute. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you guys, bye bye.